Hey guys, I have a story to tell you. This is how the cookbook was born. About 10 years ago, Lauren put it on her TikTok and I thought I'd retell the story for you. About 10 years ago, I broke my foot really, really bad. And I couldn't walk on it for months. Literally couldn't put any weight on it at all. I was traveling around with a little scooter and I had to stay day after day with my foot up and not move at all. I did two things during that time, months and months sitting on a chair. I wrote a children's book, which is still on my computer, and I wrote a cookbook for my kids. This is the original cookbook. What I did is I just went on my computer and I just started typing out all the recipes and I don't know why, I take pictures of all my food. And I just went into my phone and printed all the pictures of the food that I would make. And I made one for each of my kids. And this is the original one. And what happened was their friends would start coming over or hear about the book and say, you know, hey, what is that? Barbecue sauce. It's not a good picture, but it's really good. Kids were coming over and saying, their friends and saying, can I have a copy of the book? I'll buy it. And I still thought to myself, that's ridiculous because they've been around forever. They know my cooking. It's like your mother's cooking. It's never bad, right? I didn't think anything of it. And then about 2 years ago, I was sitting with Christopher in my great room and we were talking about this book. One of his friends was asking for it. And he said, Mom, you should really consider writing a cookbook. I said, Chris, nobody's gonna care. It's been forever since I've been on TV, out of sight, out of mind, nobody's gonna care. He goes, Mom, call your friend, I have a friend in publishing, call them and see what they think. And I called my friend and he says, let me connect you to some people. And that's how I met my manager, Ellen Scordato at Stone Song, and Ellen introduced me to the people at Chronicle Books. And that's how the book was born. So a broken foot and my son Christopher are the reasons my cookbook is now on the shelves, and it's really great and I'm really proud of it. It was something that was truly meant just for my children, and now we're sharing with hopefully the world. That's the story.